press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to POPxo Makeup Masterclass. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do this beautiful halo eye look. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let us know in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, join the MyGlamm and POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is in the description box below. And for more such videos, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.